Okay, I'm here with David of New Horizons. So perhaps I can get David to tell us what New Horizons do and what his job is.
I'm the Managing Director of New Horizons London. We're an IT training company. We've opened up in Stratford. We opened immediately after the Olympics. So we're at the heart of the regeneration of this area. We've got fantastic transport links into the whole of London, but particularly into the city. We also have a base by Liverpool Street as well. And we offer IT training courses in Microsoft, both Office and in the technical side, Cisco, VMware and CompTIA.
So a pretty comprehensive range of courses then?
It's a very comprehensive range of courses. We even go beyond that. We have Prince 2, we have ITIL, soft skills training as well. So through the New Horizons network we've got access to literally thousands of courses.
Okay, and New Horizons are how big are New Horizons? So tell us about that.
New Horizons are the biggest independent IT trainer in the world. They have coverage across 70 countries. They have 300 centres. So it is a huge network to which we belong.
Mm-hmm.
And we can provide complex packages for multinationals who've got bases across the world, from here to Australia to the States. And through our network we can make sure that we can meet people's needs in whatever way that they want.
Yeah, I've seen the map and it really is all over the place, isn't it? Singapore, Riyadh.
Very strong in the Middle East, strong in India, so developing countries. Very strong across the States. New Horizons started in the States and has grown across there. Across Europe, again, we're particularly strong in Germany, Holland, and in Ireland and Spain. So we've got links all the way across the world.
Okay, and your targets for the UK, what are you looking for? What types of businesses will you train people for? Whose people will you train? What types of customers are you looking for?
It's very broad. Really two bases. Those people who are the end users. So in particular where you've got a company looking at trying to increase productivity. Maybe it's because you've got a rollout of the new Office suite. Maybe moving to Office 2010, maybe even 2013. So it's those sorts of businesses. It is equally for the technical side. So it's IT companies and also for the IT teams within companies.
Yeah, hence your ITIL and Prince 2 and...
Hence those, but also on the technical side. So we range from Windows Server implementation through to VMware virtualization, all those side, but also for developers. So we've got courses, for example, for people who are developing Metro-style apps for Windows 8. It's as cutting edge as that.
Right, right. Well, that really is bleeding edge, isn't it?
That is, because these are things which have just been released. So the next few weeks we're running seminars here for people really to show them what is new in Windows 8, what's new in Windows Server 2012, what's new in SQL 2012. And in January we'll be running what's new in Office 2013. So we're trying to build a community as much as anything else to provide people with the information to say these are the things you should be looking at, this is what's coming out. And we can actually give you information, we can help you make decisions, as well as expanding your capacity and your capability amongst your staff. So
you've got a very easily accessed office based out of Stratford. You're able to offer courses on the latest and greatest and most important new developments within the marketplace.
And we can do it in a variety of ways.
Distance learning? Well,
I wouldn't actually. We don't like the term distance learning. I have to admit, as far as we're concerned, that there are a variety of ways that you can do things. So there is the traditional instructor-led classroom. We also run virtual classes, and we run those across the world. So we have clients who've got bases in various places, want the training to be all together at the same time. So you get a common message from the same instructor. we run those virtual classrooms. So next week we're running a class base which has got people in Belgium, in Spain and in South Africa, all attending the same course.
Mm-hmm.
We have got distance learning materials. The unique one that we've got is what we call mentored learning, which is primarily for people, to ask people who are key to a business to take 5 days off for a technical training course in one chunk is a big ask for a number of companies, particularly for SMEs. So what we're saying to those guys is, look, why don't you actually spread that training over times which are convenient to you? So you can come in on a Monday one week, Tuesday the following week. And what we do is we will have the expert trainers for that particular range of courses. So if you want to do Serve 2012, we'll make sure we've got someone qualified to teach Serve 2012, to a number of people doing perhaps slightly different courses, but you'll get the individual attention, you've got the virtual labs to study on, you've got the courseware, and you will have a course actually moulded to your needs around that.
Right.
So that's a very exciting development, we think.
And that's part of your where you want to get to, is as a trusted advisor to the training advisors or training partner for your client companies.
That's very much so. I mean, that's very much the way that we want to operate. So we want to be talking to people to say, okay, let's discuss your needs and let's build a package which responds to those needs, which is about expanding your capacity and your capability and making sure that you avoid risk, so you don't have system downtime. You've got people who actually know what they're doing on the servers, etc., etc. So it's working out packages with people to say that we can do that, and we can do that in a way which reflects what you need and delivered in a way which suits your business requirements.
So you're pretty bespoke from that point of view then, aren't you?
Yeah, it can be very much bespoke to how a company has to plan given business pressures at the current time.
Right, right. Okay, is there anything else you want to say?
We very much welcome people coming to see us. Just make an appointment, come and see the centre. We're very proud of it. We love to show it off. It's
very impressive, isn't it? I've had a look around as well. It's very smart.
Very smart, very modern, very well equipped, and does have fantastic views. So we can even show you the videos we took of the fireworks from the opening and closing ceremonies of the Olympics from our office windows. So fantastic view, and you can see just how much this area of London is buzzing at the moment.
Sure, sure. I'm done. Thanks very much.
Thank you.